Hi there, welcome back. I'm Mark, and today we'll be drawing a seal or a sea lion. So grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, a pen, and some markers, and let's begin. So the first step is we're going to draw a circle right around here, kind of in the middle of the page, just slightly to the right. And then over in the right direction, we'll draw a smaller circle. This will be the head over here. So we'll do a small circle like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and round my head. And I'm going to come almost straight down. And then we're going to curve before we get to the back. So this will be the back of the sea lion right here. And then as you draw towards the left, if you want to draw a line that's kind of straight, like this, could have a slight little bow to it, curve to it. And then as you go from here, we'll kind of taper this down like that. And we'll go down towards the back of our seal. And then right here, we'll curve this line right here at the corner of our circle, the lower portion, and then we'll flare this out. And we're going to want to come to right about here. So we're going to kind of have this rounded and coming back towards our head circle. And then that once you hit the head right here, you can curve this out. And then we're going to do like a nice happy seal. So we're going to come down like this, and we'll draw like a little nose. So this will hook up like that, and then we'll have this like pointed nose. And then this will just be a nice little curve like that. Then we could put a little smiley face right here. And then we'll draw an eye right around here. So in the corner, the top right corner. And then we can draw another smaller circle inside of that, and we'll just do like this little highlight in the corner. Then we can curve the nose like this, and then we can add some whiskers to the nose. So we'll just come down like this, and we'll draw a couple up in this direction. Okay, so we have our little seal's face, and this is curved out. Then what we want to do is inside of this larger circle, we can draw the front like fin. So we'll come down like this, and then we'll be right about here, and this will come down, and this will kind of be curved over to the left. And then we'll kind of curve this like that and just join those two together. And then we can add a few little breaks like that. And then we can draw the other side. So we'll come down from here. And right where this lower part of the body is, if we kind of went and kept that line going, that's where the other fin is going to be resting. So we'll curve this over to the right, and then we'll have this pointed to the right, and then this fin over here, we can kind of get that kind of pointed over to the right a little bit. And then we'll just draw, you can maybe put like one little finger piece over there. All right, now let's make our way back over here to where the tail is. So we'll have his back like that. And then we'll do a couple fins that are just kind of rounded and hanging down here. So when you get to the back, we'll just create this fin that kind of comes down. That's going to have these like three little finger shapes. And then this will just come up like that. And then it'll come back down. And we'll kind of hook this over towards the bottom right of our page. So we'll curve this, and then we'll kind of get this coming out towards the right, and then we'll just do another 3 little shapes like that. And then we can put a couple extra lines like this and like that. And then over here where the chest is, we're going to come up like that, and then we're going to come into the front fin like that. Just dip that right about here, and then we'll continue this line, and then this will come and just end right about there. All right, so we'll do some different colors there, and then if you want to put some like polka dots or something, we can have some little shapes on the back. So I'm just going to go and do some larger and smaller circular shapes all the way down the back. Now you can do this with your marker or have these outlined with a black ink pen later on. So it's up to you when you want to put these in. But these all be like a little bit different colored, like freckle shapes. Just like that. And then we'll do one more little cheek shape right here. We'll do this shape, almost the same size as the eyeball inside. And if you want to put a little eyelashes here, you can put a couple of eyelashes there. Just like that. Right, so there's our seal or our sea lion. Get a black ink pen or an ink marker that's thin and just go and outline the sea lion. Then you can go ahead and use an eraser and erase all of the unwanted pencil lines. Now if yours didn't turn out quite like mine did, it's okay. Just go down in the description, click the link, and you can download the coloring page. Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed my drawing of a seal or a sea lion. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss the next one. Until then, I'll see you then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.